I'm so sexy right now, like I could be an Instagram model for sure. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a Boxy Premium unboxing and try-on. If you guys want to see the try-on portion, I will have that timestamp above if you guys want to jump straight to that. But otherwise, this is the unboxing portion, and I'll let you know a little bit about the box and the price of it at the end. And yeah, we're just going to go over these products. If you guys want to see what I thought of them, that's all in the try-on portion. This is just a quick unboxing so you guys can see what I got. So I did get version 35 on my box. I don't know the weight. I know I don't know where my box is. I don't know the weight. I'm so sorry. If you guys aren't aware, I did get the Boxy Premium, so that's an additional $35 on top of my $25 regular Boxycharm or Boxy Luxe every 3 months. So I get 2 boxes a month, and this is the Boxy Premium. This month's theme is Breaking the Ice. So this is what I got in my box. I got Toofaced Cosmetics Palm Springs Dream Cocktail Party Eyeshadow Palette. So I have actually never tried a Toofaced palette before. This is my very first one. So this was me trying out their formula. I'm not sure if this formula is the same as their other formulas, but this is what it looks like. It actually looks kind of similar to the new Amrezy ABH palette. So that was interesting. This isn't as bright of a blue. I know there's a few other shades that aren't there, but for the most part, I think it looks pretty similar to the Amrezy palette. I did have some issues with this palette, but you guys can see that in the try-on portion. So this actually is $45. And the next thing we got was the Skinfix Barrier and Foaming Oil Cleanser. I have not used this yet. This is the Ultimate Daily Face Wash. This is $28. This is approved by dermatologists and endorsed by beauty editors. A hydrating creamy oil that lightly foams to wash away dirt and makeup without stripping your precious lipids. Gentle coconut-derived cleansers do the work to clear excess oil, makeup, and dirt, while skin-similar good fats, squalene, jojoba, and macadamia oil help leave your lipids in better shape than when they found them. Nice. The next thing I got was a Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow. This is a triple milled and insanely pigmented in her signature matte eyeshadow formula that is the same color as her Lolita lipstick. So I did put this on in this eye look, and this is $19. Wow. Wow, that's really expensive for one eyeshadow. And then I got the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum. I have never tried Farsali before. Now, I don't know if this did anything to my skin, but it is a beautiful product, and I'm really excited to try this and see if it, actually works on a continued basis. This is $54. I'm going to do a little photo shoot with this because it's actually really beautiful. Like, the bottle's frosted glass, it's gold. Oh no, the product itself is like lightly luminous, so it's really beautiful. I kind of like it. And this is a hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow with hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It can be used as a serum or as a radiance booster primer before makeup. The Bliss Pore Patrol Mask Deep Detox 4 Clay Souffle Mask. The silky souffle mask area with a combination of powerful clays deeply cleanses skin and minimizes the look of pores. I did use this. Where'd it go? Where is it? I found it! Found it. This is $18, and I did use this, so if you guys want to see me use this mask, and it does have this cool little like knobberduki. Okay, it just pops right back on. We're not broke, don't worry. It does have this cool little like thing here to keep it closed and clean, but it's not clean. It just squirts out like shaving cream. It's kind of cool actually. So you can use that 2 to 3 times a week. So I'll definitely be doing that because I ran out of my mask. And then the last thing is Billion Dollar Brows Bestsellers Kit. Transform your brows with these essential brow products. Use the Universal Brow Pencil to sculpt your desired look. With the Brow Duo Pencil, highlight the brow bone and define with concealer above the brow. Blend, highlight, and conceal with the smudge brush for a flawless finish. Sean Connery. Doing your brows with Sean Connery. Complete with a coat of brow gel for an all-day lasting hold. So I did try all of these products on my brows, attempted. I don't use brow pencils, but we tried our best, okay, y'all? We tried our best. So if you guys are interested in these products, this is the box total for this month's Boxy Premium. And I do know it's Boxy Premium. The Boxy Premium does come with a Boxy Premium on the inside of the box, so I knew it this month. Last month I was confused because it was my first time. So there's the box total. And if you guys are interested in seeing this look that I created up close and personal, then just keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this mask. It says to use 2 to 3 times per week, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. It says replace the plug back into the pump after each use. So it has a little plug there, as you can see. Ooh! It's like shaving cream! Ugh. It smells just fresh. Oh, it's cold. It's been outside on my front porch for about an hour. I just now saw it, so it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's refreshing. It's refreshing. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's like ice. I'm pretty sure it's not normally like ice, but because it was out of my front porch is currently like 42 degrees. Oh, it's really cold. Oh. So we're gonna get all this in our hair, clearly. Get all up in the nostrils. Hello! I just snorted. So the face mask is off. My skin feels tighter. Kind of dry, but it does feel tighter. So I don't know if you guys can notice a difference, but my forehead wrinkles look awesome, as in not existing. Now I did notice that the mask did cake up in my smile lines. Those are just my arch nemesis. Okay, let's go on to the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum with hyaluronic acid. I'm so sexy right now, like I could be an Instagram model for sure. Am I doing this right? Do I look super Instagram-y? Do you put it on your nose? Whatever, I put it on my nose. Okay. Oh, it smells fruity, like a spritzer or a wine cooler. Rubbing stuff in your face. Just so sexy. So sexy over here. Alright, so let's start with these brows. Now, I actually strictly 100% use ABH Dip Brow. I don't use pencils at all, except for fake freckles, which this might come in handy for. But I actually pluck my tails because my brows grow straight down right here. And I like to bring my brow shape up here to kind of lift my eyes because I have downturned eyes. So the way that my eyebrows grow, it like drags them farther down. So we're going to see how this works. Now this little smudge brush is used to help smudge the brow duo, which is the concealer and the highlighter. I have the brow pencil here. Hi, baby. What do you have?
Strawberry orange.
Strawberry and an orange, yes. And then the brow gel to keep them in place. Oh, it's pretty sharp. Now, this is supposed to be like a universal tone. I don't know if people with red hair can use this, or people with like gray hair, people with black hair. I think this is strictly for people with... Oh, okay. I mean, actually it could pull in maybe some red. Here it is on the back of my hand.
Look, Mommy. Look.
I don't even know how to use a brow pencil because I never use them. This is not going to give me the definition I need. No, this is not doing it. This is going to be another new freckle stick. Sorry, but I'm going to attempt, but I think I'm going to go over this with Dip Brow, so let's just speed through this. Oh, it's so big. I like went way high up on that arch. I did not mean to go that high. Oh man, I look like a... oh. Oh yeah, that is not precise. I'm gonna go ahead and do my normal brows, because this isn't working for me. And then we'll be back to try that little concealer duo thing. So this concealer is my hand's nasty. This concealer is actually really close to my color. Seems to blend out nice. Let's try this highlight. Ooh, that's nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the highlight on my brow bone here and like carve my brows out. Now I think I'm gonna have to put it a little bit below, like this, and then kind of buff it up with that brush, because I can't do a sharp line with this because it's a pretty rounded tip. This isn't carving out my brow as sharp as I'm wanting it to. This brush is nice. It does a good job of buffing out the edges, but it doesn't get as close and precise as I want it to make it look really nice and clean. So I think what I'm gonna do is use my regular P. Louise. I'm like using nothing except the brow gel. Sorry. So this gold here, Dirty Martini, is not very pigmented. I thought that would have a lot more shimmer, but it doesn't. So that's disappointing. Sorry if you can hear my kids, they're playing outside. They're loud. So not super impressed with this gold shade. So I have finished my look. A little bit about the palette. There is a couple colors that I just wasn't all impressed with. Dirty Martini just didn't show up at all. I even used it wet on my lower lash line and like nothing. Swank is really dark and it looks like this beautiful turquoise, but once it's actually on the lid, it looks like a black blue, which is fine if you want that dark of a color, but I really wanted this more vibrant blue that it looks like in the pan. On your finger, it's kind of like a navy weird black blue that semi shifts to a purple, and it just wasn't the color I was expecting on my eyes. So that is all really about the palette. I did use those flakes on the middle of your eyes. You have to be careful because they are like actual flakes and they will flake off unless you use maybe like a mixing medium to kind of melt them together. I think the mattes blended nicely. I didn't have any sticking or anything. I think they blended okay. They were decent. There is some muddiness going on here with that darker brown mixed in with the blue. It's not my favorite look, but it's not the worst look I've ever done. But I'm not too sure how often I'll probably reach for this. I did, however, love the Kat Von D shadow. Like, it's actually a really beautiful color. It's a super, this one I didn't have any issues with this one. But let me know if you guys have any Toofaced palettes. Maybe is there a different way that I could use them? I will be using this a few more times to see if I actually do like it. If I don't, I'll probably declutter it. But that is all I have for this video, you guys. Let me know if you have anything from my box or what you got in your box. I would love to know. And that's all I have, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye!